Hello friends! Welcome to Noura's Kitchen. Today I'm going to make Chinese restaurant-style fried rice. And chili chicken. Soak and cook 2 cups of rice. Add 2 tablespoons butter. Add chopped garlic and wait until turns golden brown. Add some curry leaves. Add sliced colorful capsicum, spring onion and corn. Again, add 1 tablespoon of butter to a pan. Once melted, add 2 eggs, salt, pepper, and chili flakes. Stir continuously and scramble until cooked. Add some vegetables today. Added carrot and cabbage. ADD seasoning liquid 1 teaspoon. Add magic seasoning. Add 1 or 2 cups cooked basmati rice. Ready to serve.
Restaurant-style Chinese chili chicken. Add 1 tablespoon butter and 2 tablespoon oil. Add 1 teaspoon chili powder mixed with oil. Add chicken cubes. Add salt, chili powder, and turmeric. If you want, add curry leaves. Fry until golden color. Same pan again, add 1 tablespoon butter. 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste. 1 green chili and few curry leaves. Add 2 onions and colorful capsicum. 1 teaspoon pepper powder. Half teaspoon turmeric powder. Half teaspoon Kashmir chili powder. Another pan, add dark soy sauce. Oyster sauce 1 tablespoon. Chili paste half tablespoon, it's so spicy. Tomato sauce 2 tablespoon. All-in-one seasoning 1 teaspoon. Spring onion. Add seasoning sauce mixture. Add fried chicken. Lemon and thyme seed.
I'm making Chinese chili chicken to go with this fried rice, spicy, saucy, and full of flavor.
Try and comment how is it.